All right. Allison says, I figured out problem 8, but I am still struggling with problem 6 on homework 2. Awesome. So let me open up homework 2. Problem 6, part B. Good. All right, let me share my screen. Okay, so this is problem 6, part B. So we're filling in the blanks to say the p-value is the proportion of simulations with blank successes, simulated assuming that the probability of a success is blank. And if you checked the hint, you'll see that this problem is asking you how to compute the p-value, not asking what p-value you actually got. Let's see, just remembering where we are in our class list. So we haven't actually talked about p-value in class, right? Just in the video?
Yeah, not in class yet.
Okay. So in the video, what is the definition of a p-value?
I just have written down like how extreme or how far away into the tail value is. So like obtaining the value from a statistic at least extreme as the observed statistic.
Right. So it's the probability or proportion of the time that you're at least as extreme as the observed statistic. So what was the observed statistic in this study?
Would it be 0.25?
Good guess. 0.25 is the hypothesized value of the parameter, but it's not the statistic we got in the study. That was the number or proportion of people who chose the number 3 in the actual data. So in the actual data, there were 14 people who chose the number 3. That's our observed statistic.
So 0.42 or 0.343.
This is actually written in terms of number of successes rather than percent, like proportion of successes. So you can just use 14 here.
Okay, that was the only question that I was like struggling on because I had all the other like blanks tracked, but I just didn't know what it was meaning.
Okay, so does that make sense why it's 14?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Other questions about homework 2?
That was the only one that I was having questions on.
All right, and you got your question about what was it, problem 8 worked out?
Yep.
Awesome, nice job. So feel free to stay on the line and continue working. If you want to think of additional questions and jump back in, that's fine. Otherwise, I will go back to working with the students in data science.